One thing we know for sure this holiday season is we're all experiencing a little less holiday cheer and joy. One way you can delight your customers is giving them the option to order personalized gift wrapping at checkout. It's a small, yet kind way to remind us all of the festivities that made us fall in love with the holidays to begin with. To get started in setting up gift wrapping, you'll need to go into your shop setting and click Catalog, then click Products. Click Edit Product on the product that you'd like to add gift wrapping as an option for. Then click the Options tab, click Add New Option, and name the option something like Packaging Options. From there, click Add New Value and name the value Gift Wrapping. Add the price of your choice. Select Add New Option, name it No Gift Wrapping, and check the box that says Do Not Pre-Select Default Value. Save the changes to the product, and you're all set. Here's an example of how it looks on your online store. If you follow these easy instructions correctly, then you'll be all set and ready to have customers add gift wrapping to their products. If you're having any issues with the setup process, don't worry. You can send us a message anytime at support@bookmark.com, and we'll be happy to help you out. Happy holidays!